Hi, my name is Sergio David Cabrabulla. I am 22 years old. I am the Industrial Engineer program. The last 3 months I was with my family dancing, eating, and drinking beer. A typical dish cocido boyacense is a typical dish from Colombia, sampling from the Cundiboyacense Highlands. It is made of meat and tubers. List the ingredient and ground head of regular chicken and kilo rivet cooked in the pieces for tender cubes cooked in chunks and point cubes of point-shaped heads and parsley and cilantro finished chopped to take 200 grams tomato pellet and cut in small tubes 200 grams long onions finished chopped and to 100 grams base onion chopped in the every small screens oil, pepper, salt, 3 small champagne rallied 200 grams chopped tomato and pounds ibias and kilo made for 4 pounds chopped in space and kilo 2 of tocarreña potato. Step stew and prepare it in tomato, onion, cilantro and grinding. The cook under in the thunder and the pot of 45 minutes olive long heat and water of 10 minutes and the other lids. Once the meat oils and the other ingredients first the potato in the beets tail and fish final the cubes the length in simmer under side of the dressing final chopped cilantro parsley and onion giving the chopped names and adds 2 laps of syrup. I am pleased to invite you to Boyacá do Itama, where you can savor the delicious typical Boyacá dish. Goodbye.